Alright, y'all, I'm back. Volume 2. Let's see what hot mess y'all done sent me. Let me crack this open real quick. Let's see. The milk is gone. The milk is all. That's what it be, too. Yeah, the milk is all. My girlfriend be like, man, I hate PA people. They be talking about all of y'all. Or they be like, it's all. She be like, what do you mean, all? All what? They be like, it's all. She's like, what the hell does that mean? They be like, it's gone. Turn off the lights. Out in the lights. Yeah, that's it. That's country right there, man. Out in the lights. Turn them off. Cut off the lights. Cut on the light. Oh, shit. Let's see. Wawa. Rudders. Yeah. Rudders be like that. I like going to Rudders. They got that, what? That, MTO? Or is that Sheets? I don't know. Nah, Rudders got them drinks now. As a matter of fact, I just went to Rudders. I went and got this can, man. It's 14% alcohol. This thing, woof. Alright, let's see what we got now. Are you hungry? Did you eat? Did you eat? Oh yeah, I ate. I'm drinking right now though. Oh man. Sub. Hoagie. I don't know, I be calling them subs. I really don't be calling them hoagies. That's I don't know. I call them subs. I heard people call them submarines and that shit threw me all the way off. Talking about a submarine. What the hell's a submarine? Oh man. Baltimore. Baltimore? Yeah, that's it. Yo, I had a friend from Baltimore one time and we were hanging out with our dogs. He's like, yeah, man, I bet my Doug can beat your Doug. I was like, what the fuck? I don't even know a damn Doug. Like, who the hell you getting to beat up somebody? Like, why's your friend gonna beat up my friend? He talking about a damn dog. He was like, I said, what? He was like, yeah, my Doug. I'm like, well, who the hell is he? He was like, nah, man, my Doug right here. Oh, man, I was like, this shit country as hell. You ain't nothing but 25 miles from me. How the hell your whole accent changed? Oh, and they hate being called Southern. Don't tell somebody from Baltimore that they from the South. They want to shoot your ass right where you stand. All right, man. Let's keep it moving real quick. McDonald's and Yas open 6 a.m. My ass opens at 6. Oh, no, he did. Hey, little sibling. She mad as hell. Yeah, her ass opens up at 6. Oh, yeah, you know she a freak on the low. Look at her. Epstein didn't kill himself. Yeah, you're right. Yo, that's fucked up. Yeah, man. Somebody done killed that man. Just kidding. Psych. Yo, we used to say psych all the time. I don't even think. Let me see. When's the last time I used the word psych? Oh, man. That had to be like the 90s. Oof. Damn, I'm old. May I have? Let me get that. Oh, let me get that real quick off you. Oh man, let me get that sandwich. Oh man. Chicken pot pie has crust. Chicken pot pie is basically soup. I don't know, man. I like chicken pot pie. That bottom of that crust where it be kind of soft. That's what it's hitting for. All right, let's keep it moving. Okay, Lancaster. Oh man, I'm from there, so yeah, Lancaster. Lancaster. But it's more like Lancaster with a G in it, though. Oh, man. People, place, or thing. John. Ah, man, I hate that word so much. I be hearing these young folks be talking about, yo, you said John right there? People from out of Philly be saying that real heavy. Pop. Soda? I mean, that's what I call it. Fuck. You want me to call it soda? Man, I know out west we calling it like soda pop. That's like both of them together. Creek. Crick. Nah, man. I ain't never called it a crick before. I'll call it a creek. I don't know what a crick is. Oh man, that's like a rough. Sunny side up. I don't know what else you'd call them. Dippy? Oh, they eating them dippy eggs. They got that sashi with them. Sashi and dippy eggs. Water. I don't know, water maybe would it be? Water? Who the, who the hell say water? my God, please let me know who be saying water. Oh, shit. Oh, man, y'all gotta quit it. You said you don't spank your kids. Hell no. Nah, I beat they motherfucking ass. Yo. Oh, man, my mom used to do that to me when I was young. I was like child abuse. Sorry, mama. I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. Okay, little Missy Elliott. It's your flipping, limping, flam yet? No, he did. Yo, brother, what she be saying backwards? I nip, nap, nip, nap. I passed you a napkin, and you told me I look good. What? Bitch, I said good looks. He got the Timbs on. Yeah, he must from New York. Yeah, he must be from the city. ADHD. I don't know. Need his ass whipped. Yeah, that's crazy though. Nah, yeah, sit your ass down somewhere. Oh man, y'all crazy. Has a fever. Run the temperature. Run the temperature. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, running the temperature. I'm pregnant. Huh? Oh, yo, his ass done got up and left. He ain't at the table no more. Oh shit. Oh nah, he ain't hearing that. Oh man. You aren't good for anything. You ain't worth a damn. Oh yeah, I used to hear my auntie say it to my uncle all the time. You ain't worth a damn. It's Top Raymond. Oh, he talking about them soups. I know the oodles and noodles. Oodles and noodles. Yeah, it is. Oodles and noodles. Ooh, that beef be hitting. That beef be good as shit. Especially when you make them kind of dry. You put them 2 packets of little butter in it. And 2 little pallets of butter and then put that seasoning in it. Man, that shit be good. Man, I went to make like 4 of them bitches. I was drunk as shit. Washcloth. What else would you... Wash rag. Yo, got a wash rag. Oh man, got that wash rag on deck. New moms. He's 24 months. What the fuck? Literally everyone else. He's 2. Yeah, yeah, bitch. Like yo, he's 2 years old. You ain't gotta keep going with it. Grandmother has diabetes. Oh, we already know what this is. Big Mama got that sugar. You know they cut Big Mama leg off last year. Oh man. Oh yeah, y'all done sent me some good ones this time. Oh man, Big Mama got that sugar. Whew. Yep, you know I can't eat that, baby. You know I got that sugar. Oh man, let me get a little bit of drink of this right here. That Four Loko be the spot when all you got is $2.99. Alright man, I'ma see y'all later. Y'all take it easy.